Now, I'd like to start the EndoGEL ESD hands-on training. I put the EndoGEL plate on the Kogan gastroscopy simulator using a docking station. The red circle is the target of today's training. In the EndoGEL ESD hands-on training, we will pass the marking and the submucosal injection steps. The first step is the circumferential cutting, and the mucosal puncture will be done at the 7 o'clock direction. The cutting is done continuously in the clockwise direction. The second cutting is done from the 5 o'clock to the 12 o'clock in the counterclockwise direction. Press the M knife slightly and keep going on the mucosa. It's something like a surfing. Control the knob and gently rotate your body to make a counterclockwise movement. To make a horizontal cutting, lifting the control part is helpful. We call it push-up. In this position, you can use right and left knob to make a horizontal movement. In order to do the submucosal cutting, exposing the submucosal layer is very important. To do this, we use a traction method using a clip and weight. Now you can clearly see the exposed submucosal layer. Submucosal cutting is usually from the right to left direction. You should control the catheter carefully to make a best cutting depth. Cut the submucosal layer fiber by fiber using the control and cut technique. In the submucosal dissection step, the approach angle is very important. The ESD knife should be close to the mucosa. In order to simulate this low approach angle, we are using a few wood blocks like this. Now the approach angle became lower. The final cutting line should follow the mucosal surface to avoid the submucosal tunneling.
지금부터는 mucosal 커팅 라인을 따라서 솔핑하듯이 커팅을 시행해 보겠습니다.
That's it. ESD simulation is done. I recommend to do the EndoGEL ESD training 10 times before you try the live pig ESD or a real patient ESD.